This is Healenium Quick Start. My name is Yelena, and in this video we will talk about Healenium report and disabled healing locators. In previous video we've discussed about what is Healenium, how to integrate it with your Maven project, and ran simple tests with healing locators. So let's talk about healing report. What is it? After when Healenium worked and healed several locators, let's come back to our demo. Yeah, we've seen in previous video that after running test, you can see in logs results of healing, your new locator and score of this locator. However, healing results report can show you what element exactly on the page has been healed and make a screenshot. So first of all, to use it, we need to add it into our pom.xml file into plugins group. I don't recommend to add it under plugin management, so please don't use it. If you use it in your project, please add separate plugins group and add a Healenium report plugin under this. So where you can find this plugin. Let's come back to Healenium repository. Here you can see Healenium example Maven project. And here in pom.xml file, in plugin section, you can find this plugin. This is for generating healing results reports. Let's copy it and paste into our project somewhere here. And let's rebuild our Maven project. What I want to add here, that previously we ran our test using GUnit. And as you can see in logs, the report hasn't been generated. So for this, we need to run it using Maven clean test command. So let's run it. So for now, in logs, we can see that 2 tests have been run. They both have been passed, and again, some healing has been appeared. And at the end of the logs, we can see that report available by this link. Let's click it. And here you can see the healing results. First of all, so here you can see 2 results with, as because we have 2 tests and 1 healing by 1 test. Because here you can see 2 results. What we can also here see it's failed locators value and healed locators value, and also healed locators type. Also here you can see the screenshot and highlighted by red element which has been healed. So in our case, it's click me button here and in the second screenshot. What also we can see here, it's success. Okay, so if the new generated locator has been correctly generated, then this means that healing has been passed successfully. If no, just click here. But in our cases, both types of locator are correct. Let's click success. This is what I want to talk about healing results report. And also, let's talk about disabled healing annotations. So for some cases, it could be necessary to not using Healenium. For example, it can be some business logic when we have to check something. In this case, just add disabled healing annotation. You can use it for a test method or for any method. In this case, all locators that were used in this method will not be healed. So let's rerun our test. And in this case, this first test should be failed. So let's for now run it with unit without generating report. Here we can see that our test named test button clicked with find by annotation page, this one, has been failed with no such element exception. But the second test has been successfully passed, and healing has been appeared. That's all that I want to talk about Healenium results report and disabled healing annotation in this video. Thanks for watching.